Hi guys, welcome back. In our last video, we explained some of the basic files that we need to know before we start using codeigniter to build our web application. By now, you should know that the first thing to do is to go to config, go to route and set the path, the controller path. Okay, so this is saying that go to controller. Alright, and if you go to controller, okay, you are gonna see that we are loading view welcome message, and this is it here, and that is what the user will see on the screen. Okay, I want to tell you something. When you are preparing your controller file, it must start with capital letter, and the class name also must be the same thing with the name of the file. Welcome. This is the class name. We are going to be using the class name, and I'm going to explain more on this by the time we start building our web application. But now we want to integrate our HTML template, admin template, with the codeigniter. Okay, this is the user. This is what the user will see, and it's coming from the welcome underscore message. So your files inside your view must be in small letter. Okay, and this is the best way to name your file. All right, so this is the view file, and this is the CSX. Okay, so everything is written inside this view file. Okay, so we are going to delete this file and we are going to prepare our home. Good. So guys, this is the codeigniter framework. This is the free admin template. Now let's do something. This is the plugins. So here I am going to duplicate the windows. Okay, let's do it this way. Good. So let's go back. This is the codeigniter and this is the template. So here I want to create a folder called asset. Okay, so I want to place my JavaScript and my CSX files inside this asset, inside the codeigniter. You can decide to name it the name of your company, like Optimum. That's my company name. Okay, not necessary that you use asset. You can use anything. Okay, so guys, I want to cut or copy. I want to copy this. Copy that, go to asset and paste it. Beautiful. This is loading. Okay, all right, beautiful. So I want to open this, copy all this. I want to copy that, and inside asset also I want to paste it. Good. Okay, good. Now let's go to our application views. So we want to create a folder. Okay, not necessary, but it's good. So let's call it back end folder. Inside the back end, we are going to I just want to use this index. Okay, this index.php. Okay, and paste it there. Beautiful. Right? Okay, good. So you know what, guys, in section 2 where we discuss about PHP include, okay, where we separate it, okay, where we separate the CSX, the JavaScript, maybe we should use that. Okay, instead of this, let's use that. Okay, and we correct some things there. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and copy all the files. You know what, guys, let's use this. I can't find that. Okay, so let's use this. This is we got it inside the backend, and here index.php. Okay, so but guys, we need to go to the welcome controller and specify the path of the file that we want to load. We want to go to back end folder, we want to pick a file called index and save that. Okay, good. So go to view folder, pick backend folder, then load our indexed file for us. Okay, and this is it here. View folder, backend, and pick this index for us. So if we go back to our browser and refresh, we should see this beautiful, but the templates are not well arranged because of the CSS. Okay, but don't forget that we have, I want to close this and I want to expand this. Don't forget that we have all the CSS and the JavaScript inside the asset at the root of the folder. Okay, immediately after the codeigniter 11 folder. So we have it here. So in the next video we are going to link our file backend index.php. I want to open it. We are going to link this index.php to our asset so that we can have the correct page, okay, normal page for us. Okay, so thank you guys, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.